Hi everybody, this is Adam,
And Petri.
and we're here today because it is too hot. It is a really hot day today, and we need to do something about that.
I know. I'm panting like crazy today because I just can't get cooler. It is too hot.
Oh, my buddy, I hear you. You know what? We can do some things when it is too hot.
What can you do? Oh, I'm so hot. Too hot.
I know. All right, the first thing you can do if you feel too hot, you can fan yourself like this.
Oh, that feels a little better. Oh, get all my wings. Get everything. Oh, yes.
All right, so this can help you when you feel too hot, is to use a fan. Something else that I like to do.
Yeah, give me more. I need more help.
All right, if the fan doesn't work, then I usually try to get a drink of water.
Oh, some water. Water would be good. Oh, help me drink it.
I will let you drink it in a little bit. So that is a second thing you can do. The third thing, which I thought you'd be really interested in, is something that I have right over here.
What? What is that?
You don't know what this is?
No, what is it? A brick? You've given me a brick?
No, I didn't give you a brick. This is something humans like to eat.
Well, is it birdseed?
No,
Is it almonds?
no, it's kind of even better than that. It's ice cream.
Ice cream? What do you mean, ice cream?
Well, it is a sweet treat that humans like to eat when they're feeling too hot.
Okay, can I have a little?
Yes, I can give you a little taste on this one. We'll open it up and
Oh, 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 oh.
oh, you think you like that, huh?
I'm gonna like ice cream.
I think you might like ice cream. So there's lots of things you can do when you're feeling too hot. You can get a fan,
That feels good.
you can drink some water,
Yep, I like that too.
and you can even maybe have some ice cream.
Okay, thanks for teaching us what to do when it's too hot. Bye, everybody.
And bye, everybody. We will talk to you later.